Good morning, guys. How we doing? We're going to go over Cardano today, ADA. What's going on with this? What's going on with the market? You guys know all about, the Evergrande dilemma that's going on. Basically, one of China's largest real estate developers basically borrowed $300 billion and they're not making their interest payments. And it really crashed a lot of the markets around the world recently in the last few days. So, you know what? Am I concerned about it? Yes, it does play into the market a little bit, but honestly, guys, with the risk management we're using, I do believe we are completely safe from that. And I mean that confidently, okay? So I'll give you guys a quick update. We're live trading on this channel, so make sure you guys are subscribed and turn the bell notification on. We're currently at 10,921, looking to try to push this over 11,000 this week. Obviously, with the market crashing a little bit, I'm being fully transparent. Not all of our trades just go up and up and up, guys. Sometimes we're in a drawdown, so I just want to keep everything just really vulnerable with that and show you guys where we're at. So there you guys go. All right, we're going to go over the metrics today. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for Cardano, the emotional index, the long for short trades. We definitely watch that. Long for short trade risk, the well and institutional smart money, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, as well as the exit points, okay? Real quick, guys, make this real fast. If you guys want access to all these metrics I'm about to show you guys, it's just $49 a month, as well as you guys get access to all of the trade setups that we're taking, and we are 39 for 39 winning trades on this channel, okay? Let's start here because I want to show you guys the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow in here. You guys know this. I'm only going to do this for a few more days here. You guys know the trend exhaustion is going up in price. So what I'm about to show you guys, make sure you do snag this over here. And you guys have 8 days left, and I am going to be raising the price of the trend exhaustion. So make sure you guys snag that, the price versus well money flow and the other indicators here. The bundle pack is the best deal. It will save you guys the most. I won't be upping the price of this, so you guys will actually get appreciating value on all your indicators if you just choose this option here. Okay, so enough of sales. Let's get into this. What I want to show you guys and have you guys pay attention to is really the most powerful way to use the price versus the well money flow. I've shown you guys this many times before that yes, when we get into the top sections up here for the, the trend exhaustion as well as the price versus well money flow, which the money flow is in green here, this is signaling drops in the market, and we see very, very nice drops back down. When you get these correlated positively together, when you see top red moves up here with also the money flow moving up here, guys, this is correlating. If you could draw a line straight down here, calling very good drops as well as pumps in the market as well. Obviously, when we headed back down here, it literally ended up calling the bottom right at that area and we started moving back up, okay? I can prove this to you guys over here as well. Before we ended up getting the drop, we actually were able to see the signs clearly point to us and say, hey guys, heads up, you don't want to be going long, you don't want to be FOMOing into the market, because we ended up getting what we call a waterfall sell-off right here, and we saw huge moves back down. If that wasn't enough, you actually got one more little last hey, heads up, don't do that. And we ended up seeing a very nice crash back down. But here's another way I want to show you guys how I'm actually using this. And we are using this to call exits. So it's very important that you guys have this on your chart, the trend exhaustion and the well money flow. When you guys are seeing this, I said this on Bitcoin, Ethereum, when you guys see lower lows printed on a chart for price action. So let me explain this. This is a low. So you have basically your high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low formation here, okay? This right here is creating a lower low for price action, okay? You guys see that? If you follow me down here at the bottom, what we can see is the well money flow, the flow of money on the on-chain metrics for Coinbase on ADA. We saw that money was flowing back into the market. So what happened with price action was we saw a lower low formation, but the price versus the well money flow, the money flow is actually making higher highs and higher lows. A lower low and a higher low. This is showing us money moving back in. Guys, I've actually learned this and coded this around guys that actually ended up hedge funds who traded stocks and crypto. And a lot of other times I've helped hedge funds in the past. When you guys see money flowing back into the market, this is a sign that the price is probably going to shoot up pretty fast. And that's what we're currently seeing at this moment. Also, if you guys are taking a look at this, we did end up pushing down to the bottom red section for the trend exhaustion and started to move back up, also creating a divergence pattern on this indicator as well. If you guys want to get into some of the craziest long trades, definitely set up your buy limits with us on the charts, because I definitely think that's the best risk management. But the precursor to a move going back up with the trend exhaustion at the bottom and the price versus the well money flow at the bottom with divergence like this is a very positive sign you're going to get moves back up in the market. And that's what we are currently seeing right there. So I wanted to teach you guys how to use these, because literally you guys can use these on any stocks, cryptos, or Forex. I'm using them on crypto here because I obviously we're doing really well. We've won 39 for 39 trades on this channel, and we're going to see if we can win some more of these this week. So that's where we're currently at, guys. And as far as this trade goes, we are currently down at the moment 5.69%. But remember, if you guys know how to use this strategy, come over here to the live trades and I'll teach it to you really quick, and I'll fly through this if you guys are brand new. It doesn't matter what you want to trade. All these coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Ripple, Cardano, Solana, VeChain, Polygon, all of these. What you guys want to do right now, literally 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, in 15 minutes, these charts are going to update. If they don't update, it's because we haven't hit our buy limits, or I kept them there so you guys can get back into them. But right now on ADA, for example, you're going to see a chart that looks exactly like this. You take $1,000, and what you guys can do is enter in right now with 25% of your position at each of the 4 yellow lines below the current price. So if you have $1,000, 25%, 25%, 25%, 250, 250, 250, 250. Okay. Once your buy limit is hit, go ahead and set up a sell limit up here at the first yellow line. Now, if that's not enough, I actually ended up coming out with a tutorial video for you guys yesterday, and I ended up updating this down here, so make sure you guys watch this, where I actually show you guys how to use the metrics to end up getting out of trades, as well as I showed you guys how to use the trend exhaustion to call 25 to 50% exits. It's really, really awesome, and I don't want you guys to miss that, okay? Let's go over here and let's take a look at the actual metrics today for ADA. Before I do that, guys, real quick, down here, it's a brand new thing I added. It's called Telegram. It's actually more value. I was going to up the price of the whole membership, but I didn't do that. I basically I kept it the same because I want to keep this lower for you guys who don't have a lot of money. Telegram access. You guys will be getting updates for all of the videos that come out on YouTube right when they're posted. Sometimes YouTube is actually not sending them out on time, and I'm like, oh no. I literally got messages from you guys who are like, Travis, you're making live trade calls in your channel, but YouTube isn't sending me videos until like 3 or 4 hours later. So all of you guys who have a membership over here get free access to our Telegram group, and you guys literally are like, let me show this to you guys over here real quick. This is the Telegram group right now. Like, I already posted the Bitcoin video in here, and you guys got immediate access to it before literally anybody else. That is where you guys, and I'm going to be making exclusive calls over here for exits as well as entries and giving you my top picks for coins during the week. It's going to be awesome. I just wanted to add more value to you guys. I'm not trying to sell this on here. Like, I'm just trying to share with you guys what you get when you get over here, because I really do think we have something special going on. Okay, let's dive into the emotional index here. Guys, if this isn't a strong enough sign that you should be at least setting up your buy limits for the Cardano trade, I don't know what is. Last time we got down here, guys, we ended up seeing the fastest pump in ADA ever when we got back down into the fearful section. And that's just the previous time. The previous time before that, we clearly see that we saw a move up. The previous time before that, we saw a move up. The previous time before that, we saw a move up. There has never been a time where we have hit the fearful section without seeing a huge pump back up in Cardano. Okay, guys, I know a lot of people are selling and you guys are fearful in here, but I'm telling you, like, I'm so happy we got into this trade. And if you guys are not in this trade, please set up your buy limits over on the website like I showed you over here. Come over to the front page, scroll down, click right here under Cardano Live Trading. It will open up your chart and it will literally give you guys your 4 buy limits this morning that you guys need to be entering into for that trade. Watch this with me as we go down here. Taking a look at long and short trades for Cardano today. This is more of a bullish sign, guys. I know, like, I'm already getting down a thumbs down on some of the videos I'm posting this morning of saying there's bullish signs in the market for Bitcoin. I understand some of you guys are like, you know, it's going to go down, it's going to keep crashing, it's going to keep crashing. I'm telling you guys, at least for the short-term moves here, I do think that there's clear metrics and on-chain metrics showing us that we could actually be seeing a move back up here, okay? Let me prove this to you guys right here for a second. When you guys see price action moving up in the market and you guys see long trades moving out, you guys realize this cannot be sustained, right? It has to move back down. Well, it works both directions. When price action is moving down and long trades are increasing on the blockchain in 4 on-chain metrics, that's a fancy word for, you know, long orders on the blockchain, this is a strong sign that we're going to see move back up. It is held true so many times. I've proven this to you guys on Bitcoin and more than I probably should have, because I'm probably getting annoying. But it's like when you guys see price action moving up and long trades moving out, this is where the market drops. There's nothing, literally nothing to sustain it. What I'm showing you guys here is there is accumulation of long trades happening right now, and the smart money is not selling. They're buying. Let me prove it to you guys even more. Come down here to the well and institutional smart money. You guys can see that the acquisition of long trades has been increasing as we go down. That is exactly what we are doing on this channel, and we're getting into these trades. Guys, if you simply just follow all the buy limits I have on all the live trades, you will trade with smart money. I promise you, because I check with this before I end up actually putting those those lines in there. And I know how smart money trades. I coach hedge funds. Like, I literally got off a phone call yesterday with a guy who put $1 million into crypto. Super fun conversation. I'm like, these guys, they're not moving the market because you need billions. But like the accumulation of all of us starting to understand this, like this is where you guys want to be, on the side of well and institutional smart money, because they are making smart moves, okay? They're buying when they're dipping, they're making their profit. They're looking for short trades all around here, looking to accumulate, and they're making a ton of money on the moves back down. So I want to just point that out to you guys. Long versus short trade risk, what should you guys be looking at today? I know some of you guys think that the thing's going to go down and we're probably going to hit, 88 like $1 again. Is it possible? Yeah, I'm not going to tell you it's not impossible. That would be foolish of me to say. Nothing's impossible. But if we're looking at metrics and indicators of forecasts of what I think is going to happen here, there is a more bullish sign that we're going to probably see Cardano starting to rebound here within the next 2 weeks, then start to keep crashing back down. Okay, I want to make that very clear. Long trades need to be set up right now, and I highly suggest you guys get into those right now. Okay, moving down here, if we move up here, where are we going to possibly see a little bit of a pit stop or maybe a stall in the price? It's going to be right around this $2.30 area. So let's just mock this up real quick. $2.30 puts us right around this level on the chart right here. This is basically what's called, it's structured low on the chart here, but it's resistance. We'll call it resistance here, make it simple. When price comes back up here, I am expecting to see a little bit of hesitation on the price here, and I do think we will probably push into the top red zone here. Now, if we can see price structure, listen very carefully, guys, because I'm making this official call. If price structure can push up in here and we can actually get into some profit up here, probably around the 240 to 250 mark, the trend exhaustion is up to the top red area, guys. I am absolutely going to be taking 25 to 50% profit. Now, your question is, okay, Travis, what do I do if you're not on the YouTube video and we get up there and you make a call? You guys have two options, okay? Obviously, everybody who's subscribed over on the website right now, what you guys need to do is come over here and go to the Telegram and just get in that group, because I will be calling out profitable exits for you guys when I see them. It's not going to be all the time, but when I see them, when I am doing something on my personal trading account, I'm going to post it over here in the Telegram group. So you guys, we're up to 31 already. That's pretty sweet. I'm going to post it up for you guys, okay? So you do not miss it, all right? But you also can come over here with the trend exhaustion indicator and set an alert. So as I showed you guys over here, if you go to the indicators tab over here, you need to click this and this will take you to the separate site. The indicators are separate prices from the membership. But once you guys click trend exhaustion, you guys will see a page pop up and you will be able to watch the video of how to set up the alerts, okay? That alert will actually signal to your phone and your email, depending on where you guys set it up, when this white line gets in the top red zone. I'm giving you guys full disclosure, like I'm looking for a 25 to 50% exit when I get there. So be watching the Telegram channel and be watching this and make sure you guys are set up. Let's finish over here with the metrics real quick and then I'll end this video. As far as dollar cost average entries, everybody who bought down here is making a killing right now. Like, great job, guys. I do expect to see another one of these green bars come out here pretty soon. That is going to be a jackpot entry. If you guys are not into our trades right now, I just highly suggest you guys get over there and get your buy limit set up. There's 4 buy limits. It's so simple to follow. Please do that. This is basically calling the tops before we saw them move back down. Very good metric to watch. Now that we're in a long trade, if we start moving back up here, I will be watching for this exit point, again, to look to exit maybe 25 to 50% of the trade, and I will keep you guys updated with that. So in the past, you guys were, I feel bad saying this, even though we still want a bunch of trades, you were flying blind a little bit. With you guys having access to the Telegram channel, it's literally like having me being your coach, and I'm going to help you guys with these trades in here. If I see something, and if I'm like, hey guys, this week the best coin I think to get into is going to be SOL or Doge, I will let you guys know that. It's going to be just a fun way for us to kind of have a little bit of a community that you guys can get immediate updates from me whenever I see something major going on in the market. Even if I see some analysis where I'm like, whoa, this is crucial, or some like crazy news I think is going to affect our positions, I'll post it over there as well. So basically it's like having me in your pocket as your personal like coaching mentor all the time, 24/7. So make sure you guys do that. That's all I've got for you guys today. Make sure you're watching that. Here's the call. The call on the channel right now is get your buy set up. Come over here, set it up on your charts. I showed this to you guys already. Click into Bitcoin. If this is ADA, set up your 4 buy limits for ADA right now. Okay, this is Bitcoin. ADA obviously is what you want to be setting up for. If you guys have questions, watch this video down here. I re-recorded it yesterday so you guys actually can follow along very simply with the strategy. And I also showed you guys how to do exactly what I talked about right now of exiting 25 to 50% with the trend exhaustion. That indicator, the price versus the well money flow, like I understand, like if you guys just want 2 indicators, get these 2 indicators. The trend dashboard is amazing. I'll explain more in another video, but really these 2 down here are like what's making us a ridiculous amount of money. I had a guy make $5,500 just off the trend exhaustion alone last week, and it is insane. So God bless you guys. That's what I've got for you. Get your long trades set up. I do think we could see some bullishness head back into the market for ADA. And if you guys want, just for fun, come over and look at the profits over here. I will be adding more before the end of the week. People are doing great. $1,800 here, $500 in 12 hours, $4,000 to $5,000 here. A guy made $60,000 down here with our metrics and indicators, which is just crazy. 3x profit in just 2 weeks, $4,000, $2,000 here, and just goes on and on down the list here. So great job for everybody doing this. I feel like I'm in the behind closed doors at a secret hedge fund convention. Keep the videos coming. Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. All right, guys, have a good one. Get the indicators in the description over on our website. Sign up for the membership over here at tradeconfident.io. Get into your long trades, guys. Make sure you join the Telegram channel, and I will keep you guys updated. God bless you guys so much. I think we're going to do amazing this week, and I'll just keep the videos coming. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.